Welcome back for another meatless meal. Today I have a very quick and easy eggplant recipe for you. Here I have a whole eggplant cut up sitting in a bowl with salt, and you can check my previously uploaded eggplant recipe to see why. I have an orange and a green bell pepper, a cup of quinoa, and my seasoning. I'm going to start by adding 2 of these curry cubes into my quinoa. These give a yummy, intense curry flavor. And you want to make sure that they are really dissolved into the boiling water before covering your quinoa. Now reduce the heat and cover for about 15 to 20 minutes. Here I have my eggplant all rinsed off and dried before putting into my frying pan. I have my orange and red peppers diced up. I'm going to start these with some olive oil. And once these soften up a bit, I can add in my eggplant. Check on your curry quinoa and make sure the cubes have dissolved. Now I'm going to add drained, rinsed chickpeas to my eggplant and bell peppers. Give that a good stir. And you want to let this all cook together for a bit. No need to season or salt any of this just yet. We want to let them get a little brown before doing anything else to them. Now I'm going to add about a tablespoon of cocoa aminos. However much red chili flakes you like, depending on how much heat you want. About a teaspoon of garlic powder. I don't measure it out, I'm really just eyeballing, so use as much as your heart desires. Don't be shy with that curry powder though. Get that in there. I would say about a whole tablespoon of curry powder should be enough. And keep in mind that curry powder is very different than curry paste. For this recipe, we are using curry powder. And then I added in about a teaspoon of cumin. Mix that all together. We're going to let that all cook down. The smell is incredible. Our quinoa is done. Give that a nice little fluff. And keep it uncovered while the rest of our meal finishes. The aroma of this dish will get you so excited to dig in. And look at that. I topped it with a little bit of fresh basil. And you can make this cool little quinoa dome by just pressing in quinoa into a small little bowl and then flipping it upside down. And there you have it. You have a fancy little dish that was so easy to make. Took hardly any time. I want to say this recipe serves about 4, so you'll either be left with these delicious leftovers or you'll have enough to feed the family. Double the recipe if you need more or if you want to have this for meal prep the rest of the week.